What? My
You
name?
said your name is?
Karim. It's on my cap.
Oh, okay.
Right. Hey everybody, today this is Karim again. We are at a meetup in Caravan. All the YouTubers, like most of them are here, and we were discussing about like some points on like how to grow your channel, what are the problems they're facing, and I was really, I learned a lot. Of course, everybody learned from it. I'll try to give a brief introduction later on, like down the line if possible, because we already run out of time.
But you already know her. Nonetheless, very unfortunate that this meeting has come to an end. You guys can collaborate, you can still talk about so many things, but just to be on record, it has officially ended. Like, I don't know who chose me to be the person who manages meeting, but I love it imposing on yourself, because that's where we have a little direction.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you so much for coming. My name is Dennis Duke.
So, is it really in order for the meeting to end that you have
Your balance? What's your balance? Actually, it's not balance. It's change.
So what about shoulders are presenting a Uganda?
The English has begun again. Remember talking about English? See the change and the things. Yes, they've started again.
I'm apparently among those that run the Uganda.
Right. So what's your name?
Hi, my name is Dennis Duke Uganda, and I'm a Ugandan YouTuber, vlogger, best here in Uganda. I do entertainment, news, and gossip.
Oh, perfect. Okay. So how long have you been doing it?
Been doing it for now. This is October, 10 months. Serious work. Yeah.
So it's going good, right?
And my channel is growing steadily. As I speak now, I have about 18,000 subscribers. My target this year was 20. We are 20,000 subscribers.
All right, perfect.
And I'm on monetization, so I'm enjoying the benefits.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So what's your channel's name?
My channel's name is Rita Amanyure. I do videos on natural hair and travel videos.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay. And how long have you been in YouTube?
I've been on YouTube for like 2 years now.
Oh, 2 years. Perfect.
Yeah.
So you're doing good.
Yeah, I'm
Enjoying
trying.
your journey on YouTube.
Definitely,
Right.
yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright.
Yes,
Hey, how are you?
fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So what's your YouTube channel?
It's GMP Promotions within Christian Entertainment.
Okay. How long been in YouTube?
I've been there since 2016.
16. Oh, perfect. So hope you enjoying the journey too,
And
right?
we're doing great.
Best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Yes. What's your name?
I'm Ronix from Ronix Photography.
Okay. Right. And what's your channel about?
My channel is about photography. I do tutorials and
All right.
behind the scenes for photography and videography.
Okay, perfect. How long have you been in YouTube?
Yeah, I've been on YouTube for some time, but I was not so active on it. But I started being active some 3 months ago, and I managed to hit my 1.2K.
Okay, perfect. So best of luck for the future. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you?
Hello,
Okay, what's your name again?
my name is Ma Priscilka.
Okay, and what's your channel's name?
My channel is called Gathering Now Network.
Gathering Out Network. Okay, and how long have you been in YouTube?
For 9 months now.
For 9 months, alright. How did you find this meeting over here? Like, is there anything to learn?
It was very enlightening because there are things we need but we don't have anywhere to get them.
Right.
So it's free knowledge.
Perfect, perfect. Right, thank you so much and best of luck for your future channel.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much. What's your name and what's your channel's name?
I'm Doreen Kwesiga, and my channel is also called Doreen Kwesiga.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long been in YouTube?
I'm very young. I'm 3 months old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, and what is it about?
Motivational. It's motivational,
Oh, okay.
inspirational, and encouraging.
Wow, that's good. So best of luck for your channel. Thank you so much. Hey, how are you?
Hi,
Right, what's your name?
Anita Aboki.
Right, and is it your channel's name?
Yeah, it's my channel.
And
name.
channel's name as well. What is it about?
It's about random vlogs. It's about beauty, fashion, lifestyle.
Oh, okay. Right. How long have you been in YouTube?
Just 1 month.
Oh,
Tell your
this is a beginner.
viewers, your subscribers to subscribe to mine.
Hopefully. Yes, everybody's subscribed. Thank you so much. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm okay.
Right, what's your name?
My name is Erina
Okay.
and my channel name is Erina TL. The T comes from my name to Subida Luiga, so I
Alright.
call it Erina TL.
Okay, and what's it about?
It's all about my lifestyle, and recently I started a series about campus life where I got topics and we discussed with campus students.
Oh wow, okay.
But it's all about my life and spreading positivity all around.
Perfect, perfect.
Yes.
And the best of luck for your channel.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hi, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine, thank you.
Wonderful. What's your name?
My name is Angela.
Angela, right. What's your channel's name?
Madi TV Uganda.
Uganda, all right. And how long have you been in YouTube?
Just 1 year and a half.
1 year and a half, okay. But what is it about?
It's about gospel, entertainment, blogs and skits.
Oh, okay, perfect. So best of luck for your channel. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your channel's name and what's your name?
My channel name is Becky Allen and my name is Becky.
Right, what is it about, your channel?
It's about travel, beauty, lifestyle and fitness. That's basically what I do.
Alright, perfect. So how long have you been in YouTube?
I've been on YouTube for 3 months now, but I'm not that active.
Alright.
I'm starting to be active in the next month, November.
Perfect. Alright, perfect. So best of luck for the channel.
Thank you so much.
You're
We
welcome.
are happy to host you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Magi, how are you?
Perfect. What's your name?
My name is Kindik.
Alright, and your channels?
My channel is Kindiko ZJ.
Alright, and what is it about?
My channel is about vlog, like I do vlog, I do tech, then I do cake decorations too.
Alright, perfect. How long have you been in YouTube?
YouTube so far it's now like 3 months, and yeah, I'm picking out very well and love it. Yeah.
Perfect. Best of luck for your channel. Okay. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, what's your name and what's your channel's name?
I'm Lukwata Julius. My channel is called Ugila Call.
And what is it about?
It's about tech.
Tech, right.
I deal with phones. On my channel, I upload videos concerning phone solutions to
the
phone
like
problems.
the tech problems, right?
Tech problems.
Perfect.
Right.
How long have you been in YouTube?
I started my channel in 2016, but I started uploading content in 2018.
Oh, right.
Yeah, December. Okay.
Right.
I remember it was 16th of December.
Right.
2018.
Perfect. So best of luck for your future.
Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Alvin Alexa, and my channel name is Alvin Alexa on YouTube. I do online shopping and some bit of tech, and if you're interested in trending tech news, like if a new iPhone just drops out, just click on my channel. Yeah.
You get the video.
Yeah.
Perfect. Best of luck for your future.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Wiki and my channel name is Wiki Promotions Uganda and Wiki TV.
Okay.
You can check them out and subscribe, comment and like.
What is it about?
My channels are all about Ugandan entertainment. I interview artists.
Right.
I do entertainment stories and so many more stories.
Perfect. So do subscribe, guys.
Guys, please subscribe to my channel.
Right. Thank you so much. Best of luck for the future.
Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Prince Hannington Hans. My channel name is Asmark TV. I do news, local content.
All right.
In entertainment. That's all.
All right. Perfect. How long have you been in YouTube?
I've been on YouTube for 6 months.
All right. Okay. So we just started, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So best of luck for your future channel.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, my name is Rokan David. I run a channel called Rokan Media, and I've just met my friend here. We've just had a very good meeting as concerned.
Exactly. Learned a lot.
We've learned a lot, and I'm so much happy and intrigued with these new guys. They're just amazing. So please watch his channel because he has the best for you. Thank you, Rokan David.
Right. And what's your channel about?
My channel is about politics, biography, and everything, a lot.
Perfect.
But I also have a channel like Legit, Rokan Sports, about sports. I have Wrestling 360. If you're interested in wrestling, Roman Reigns, Dolph Ziggler, Ronda Rousey, all that stuff, it's always there. Wrestling 360, you can catch it.
Do check it out, channel.
They can check out all the channels, but bless.
Thank you so much, friend.
You're welcome.
Hey, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Perfect. What's your name and what's your channel's name?
My name is Roger Malobos, and my channel name is Uganda News Updates, and Roger Malobos personal channel.
Okay. So it's about news and all?
Yeah, it's about news, gossip, and entertainment.
Oh, okay, perfect. So best of luck for your channel.
Oh yes, this is Grace Ahimbisiwe and I do Edge Media TV on YouTube. Guys, check it out. I do news. If you want to know anything trending in Uganda, if you want to know anything that is moving around, Kenzo, Rema, anything trending, we bring it out to you on Age Media TV. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because guys, this is one love, guys. Guys, subscribe. This is one of the best and upcoming channels in Uganda at the moment.
Perfect. And how long have you been in YouTube?
I've been in YouTube for close to a year now. And I'm glad that I've managed to get 20,000 subscribers plus.
Perfect.
And I know once you have this partnership together with this same channel, guys, I'm very sure that this same channel can still be better in Uganda.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Best of luck for your future.
Yes, how are you guys? Thanks for watching, and just please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Well, I'm called Up Live and my channel name is called Lock On TV. You can check it out. I do local gossip and news, basically about celebrities and entertainment, and that's all I do.
Perfect. How long have you been in YouTube?
I've been on YouTube, so far this is my, I think it's the 6th month, and I'm making 37 subscribers, 37,000 subscribers.
Okay, perfect. So best of luck for your future.
All right,
thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Tina. Our channel name is B&T Lifeline.
Okay, and what is it about?
It's all about lifestyle, Uganda, the food, and everything nice about
lifestyle. Uganda cuts across the way people live in Uganda, the way people also live in other countries.
Oh, it reminds me of something.
What does it remind you about?
Oh, about meeting these guys and and having good time and making videos. Exactly.
We had so much with Karim before. We've done a video with him before. He's an amazing guy. But he's interacting with other YouTubers here. He has met already. Yeah.
Exactly. And it was actually, I'm thankful to you guys for inviting me first of all, and I've learned a lot from this session that we had, and it was a good meetup actually. So thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. And best of luck for your channel too.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So your name?
My name is Abdul Rahman. Nickname is Mani.
Okay.
And my channel name is A2Z City. Is 2 is number.
Yeah, is 2. 2 is a number, right? Numerical. So
numerical.
A, 2 and Z.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is it about?
Is about of the cooking.
Okay.
About of the Uganda.
Okay.
And many things is there. Is A2Z City is all about the world.
Perfect.
Not stop anywhere.
Perfect.
Just go on here.
Perfect.
So and subscribe my channel.
Yes, definitely
and
should.
Also support Karim Bhai. Also support me.
Definitely. And best of luck, I would say, to your future and you for your channel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Mr. Karim?
I'm fine. Thank you so much, brother. What's your name? Please tell them.
I'm called Zubair.
Zubair, right. And what's your channel's name?
My channel name is Info Uganda.
Info Uganda, all right. And what is it about?
It's all about Uganda.
Perfect.
In a business.
All right.
And entertainment.
Wow.
And freedom about the religious which we have in Uganda.
Perfect. How long have you been here?
Almost 10 years.
Wow. So you know a lot about Uganda, right?
A lot about Uganda, yes.
So one liner about Uganda. How is Uganda?
I can say it's amazing. I saw the other people how they explain them countries, but I don't have words for Uganda to explain how amazing and how good it is.
So you love Uganda?
I love a lot, and I'm a Ugandan.
All right, I love Uganda too. Perfect. Thank you so much, and best of luck for your channel.
Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm alright. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Perfect. What's your name and your channel's name?
Yeah, my name is Ivan Mugalia, but you can also call me Van Crush. So
perfect.
My channel name is Director Van Crush.
Okay.
Actually, I just do stuff about Ugandans, life stories about Ugandans who are passing through different situations. We just share the life stories and backgrounds so that other people can comment and give advice and how we can go along with life, you know.
All right. Perfect. So how long have you been in YouTube?
Actually, I've been on YouTube for the past 5 years, but I haven't been active.
Okay.
I've just started being active for like the past year.
All right. Okay. So best of luck for your channel.
Yeah, thanks so much, guys, for hosting me here.
No problem. You're welcome.
Please subscribe.
Definitely.
And it's coming